Well, London is getting ready to start school next week. So every year we've been doing, I should say most years, we've been doing these teacher survival kits to give to our teacher to just kind of do something extra for them, something fun, some little goodies and knickknacks that we know teachers need. They can't always leave their classroom, so they need stuff handy right then and there. So I'm gonna show you some things that I bought simply at like Dollar Tree and Walmart to give to a teacher. Everything that I bought was under $2. Literally every item I bought was under $2, and most items were under $1. So have this crate here that I'm going to use. I got it from the Dollar Tree, so I only paid $1, and it's clear, so I got a very neutral color. I got some tampon, or no, these are like maxi pads. I got some tampons, both of those were $1. Got some binder clips. The tampons and maxi packs, these little small travel sizes, I actually find these at Dollar Tree. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Binder clips, I think I showed those to you guys. I got some Febreze. Got small things, they're like Jergens lotion. Some Cresco mouthwash. You can see that. I got a first aid kit. Although I'm sure they'll have a first aid kit in our class, sometimes you just need something super small and quick. So this would be something that she can use. I got a bag of pens. These are push pins, safety clips. These are dental flossers, so they're like a travel size. Got some whiteout. Some Advil, just a travel size of Advil. You can find these at like Walmart and Target. Some chapstick, some cotton swabs, got a couple of Sharpies. I got a magnetic notepad, some Post-it notes, gel pens. Here are some mechanical pencils and some additional lead to go with it. Some masking tape or scotch tape or whatever. There's some more notepads. These are super cute. They have different designs in them. And one of them looks like a little legal pad. So these are like miniature size notepads. They came in a pack of 3. And here are like 90 sheets. In each of them, and they're at Walmart. I spent like probably 99 cents on them during their back to school sale. There's a some ruled index cards, and I have them in multiple colors here. Some travel sizes of Kleenex tissue. There's an index card holder. Got some gum here, some Twix. Every teacher needs candy, of course. And here's a Hershey's bar. I got some other items that I can put in as well, but for the sake of space, we'll see what we can do for the amount of stuff that we have here. So I'm gonna just take this here. So this is the maxi pad, and this here, which is the index card holder. I'm gonna put them together, stand them straight up, and kind of put those in the middle, because I think they're gonna take up the most space. I'm gonna put the tampons with it and the first aid kit. So I'm gonna like put those in the middle like so. And then from there I think I want to add the index card because I'm going to keep these in the pack the way that they are. And then from there, I'll add the notepad just off to the side here. Let's see, I'm trying to see what else I have that can stand up. I have these cotton swabs, so I'll put these in here off to the side. Got the lotion. The lotion can stand up. The Febreze, it has to stand up. So here's the thing, this crate has like holes at the bottom, and I don't want to put stuff in there and it like falls out. So I'm kind of worried about these pins. I'm trying to figure out how I could put this other stuff in there without other things falling out. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this mouthwash in because that can stand up. And I think I'm gonna take the Kleenex. So it came in a pack of 3, and I think I'm gonna put 2 of them in here. Take them out. I can open them. Put the Kleenex in places where there are more holes left out, so I can kind of cover up those holes some. And I might even be able to put the 3rd one in here, so I'm going to put the 3rd one in here as well. Okay, so from there, I'm going to put in a pack of Post-its. Still, this is stuff that's going straight to the bottom. The dental floss, I'm able to put that in here and have it go straight to the bottom. Have the push pins, put that in here. I think I'm gonna put that straight on top. I'm gonna take the whiteout out of this package. So it looks like most things I'm so far leaving inside the package. I'm gonna take out the whiteout. I'm just gonna put it on top. These binder clips, I'm gonna take them out the package as well. They kind of take up a lot of space. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put these paper clips in. They can go here. And I'll try to show you guys how it looks in the end inside. So I want to go ahead and put the cute little 3-pack notepad somewhere in here. I got these Sharpies. I'm going to open these up. And then I'm going to take these pens out of the pack. I'm going to open them up as well and put them in there. And then I have this big pack of pens. I'm just going to kind of put it in. So teachers, as you guys probably know, teachers do not make a lot of money. Their salaries are very low for all that they do. And sometimes some of them get like supply stipends, but some of them don't. But even still, it does not amount to what all they need for their classroom. So this is like our way of kind of like giving back to the teacher and just showing our appreciation at the beginning of the year, and just take one less stress off the teacher. Like, these are a couple of things that we know the teachers will need, and they don't have to worry about getting. And if they have already gotten them, then they know they got extras. So I'm just gonna kind of just stick these pins just in random like little spaces. We're gonna have them stick them up so they won't fall down anywhere. Just want to put them in like little tight spots. Okay, so we got our 10 pins in. Great. Alright, so now I got these mechanical pencils. I'm gonna take those out of that pack as well. Again, I got these from Walmart. All of this stuff I probably spent, it was less than $30 for sure for all the items that I got. So I'm going to try to find a spot so these can stand up as well. Maybe these might not be able to stand up. They're mechanical pencils. So I have like other things already standing up, but it's okay. And it came with like some extra erasers and some extra lead, so I'm going to put those in there too and put them together. So it can be like kind of easily accessible. Alright, so I'm going to put some binder clips in here now. I'm just going to just like put those in just random sides. I love binder clips. They do such a good job with paper clips cannot do. Sometimes paper clips are just not thick enough and sturdy enough. So binder clips it is. Got this thing of Advil, because oh my goodness, when you're dealing with 20 to 35 kids, you're gonna get a headache. Like, oh my gosh, every teacher needs Advil or Aleve or Tylenol, just whatever their headache medication is. And if her teacher for some reason cannot take Advil, then she can give them to another teacher. There's plenty of times when, you know, even when you're at work, your colleague is like, hey, do you have something for headaches or I'm in a little pain? So you can say, hey, yeah, I have this. You know, I got this out of my teacher survival kit. If your teacher has any allergies that you know of, try to keep those things out, or just leave it to that teacher's discretion to take it out. For us, a lot of times our teachers have paraprofessionals or teacher's aides along with them, so both of them get to share out of the pack. And if you know your teacher has like a favorite candy bar, throw that in there. For us, we always do these super early, so we do them before school even starts. So for us, she's meeting her teacher tonight. Actually, I'm meeting a teacher because she's out of town still. So I just put a little knickknacks, and we'll normally find out about what the teacher's favorite items are later in the year. So we don't want the candy to like get broken up or even melt. So I'm just gonna just stand those up, and then sometimes you just like gum. You don't want your kids to have gum because sometimes the kids put it everywhere, but I'll put a couple of packs in gum. Sometimes, you know, you can just feel uncomfortable about your breath sometimes. I put deodorant in them before because sometimes, you know, you never know. You forget something, or maybe that kid forgot to put on deodorant that day. Maybe. Who knows, you know? So this is just our extra way of handling it to a kid. And it took like just a couple of minutes. Like there was no time to put this together. And again, everything I bought was under $30. She has a lot of stuff now. We're super excited about London's new teacher. I'm going to give you guys a close-up